Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. It's a little bit windy out here, so I apologize if you can't hear me. A couple things we're going to do today is we're going to go out here and change a bandage on our one baby. She got her leg caught in a gate when she was over the place that she was getting trained for racing. So she's been here for a couple months and we've been just changing bandages every other day or so. So we're going to get that done. And then we got to put another round bale out here. We'll get that stuff done. It's just been so busy around here between soccer and all the other sports that our kids are in. I just haven't had time to make any videos whatsoever. But I'm trying to pick it up as much as I can here in the next few months. Things are calming down a lot, so should be able to get more videos out. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get the bandage changed here on Peanut and move on with the hay bale. All right, come on, move back. You ready?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Chewing on the lead rope. Ah.
Goes. Oh, I know. Please don't kick me. Do you have your camera or just, phone? Make sure it does that. That's a pretty big, good scab on it, huh?
Yeah. I won't scrub it too much.
I won't. I just. And some people just throw this shit on and leave it. I think it's shrunk in surface area because it's not quite, you know what I mean? Like.
Yeah, those are, I don't want to stick because of the powder.
Okay.
All right, well, that's never easy, changing bandages on horses. She's been pretty good. So hopefully we can leave that open here soon so we can kind of form a scab over it. So we can get that, she can get back into training here in the next month or two. So, all right, well, let's see if the tractor will start up. Had a hard time last time. Connections on the battery weren't very good, so let's see if we can get her started. Get it to work. These connections have been not very good. This wire right here. All right, well, I'm gonna have to look at these connections real quick. I'll get back with you guys in a minute. All right, well, we got that one in there, but yeah, I'm gonna have to put new leads on the tractor for the battery because they're just sparking when I go to start it up. So, but I've been looking for basically a second tractor to have on the farm, but tractors are going outrageous right now. Basically the same tractor I was bidding on at an auction, but diesel, ended up going for like $15,000. You know, 1966 or 68 diesel John Deere. But I'll come across one. I don't need it till spring. We need something a little bit stronger to do the hay bind and stuff like that. But just the other day, my buddy called me and said he had 40 round bales and I can have them if I wanted them. So I went and checked them out, and we're gonna go ahead and grab them. But I ordered a basically a hay spear to go on the front bucket of that. It's kind of a portable thing, and I'm gonna see how it works. I should be getting here in a couple days here, and we'll go over and move some of that hay. So it's like 40, like I said, 40 bales. That's quite a bit. And like I said, I checked it out and they're all pretty good, and it should help us out here because we're short hay this year anyhow. Don't really like feeding round bales, but we'll do what we have to do to get the hay to the horses. Still planning on doing the roof on that hay barn. We've about got it all cleaned out, and just got to wait for some extra time to come my way so I can get on that barn. Other than that, guys, like I said, I've been super busy, but I am going to start trying to push out the videos here pretty soon, hopefully, if I can have the time and stuff. You know, it's just, you know, things happen and you just don't have time to pick the camera up. So, but I think things are calming down a little bit, and I should be able to make some videos. But that's all I got for you today, and I'll catch you on the next one.